All right, we've got some star power going on right now, and this is what happens when the meeting the minds, the commitments of the communities, the commitments of the private sectors, and the commitments of the food bank. This is what happens when all these entities get together to benefit our communities, and it's all in the name of Nutrition Month, National Nutrition Month, right? Do I have it right?
Yes,
okay, good. Let's start with Jim from the food bank, because what does this partnership that we're going to get to mean for the overall commitment to feeding everyone, I should say, in San Diego County?
Well, we estimate about 500,000 people in San Diego County are food insecure. So it's not just about feeding people, but it's about feeding them the right kind of food. We know that nutrition-related disease is linked to poverty. So not only are we a food bank, we're a nutrition bank. We're feeding about 370,000 people a month, but obviously we can't do that alone. So we have a tremendous relationship with the County of San Diego, and United Healthcare is one of our newer partners, and we're doing great things here.
And I think that's one of the key, because, you know, the donuts, those are cheap. But, you know, when you're really actually talking about nutrition and getting the body fed well, that's a whole different elevation as far as financial commitment.
Well, we have generations of unhealthy people directly related to a poor diet, which is directly related to poverty. But what about educational outcomes, about kids being able to go to school, be good students, get a good job, be able to support their own families? So it's really about breaking the cycle of poverty.
All right, and that's what we're trying to do here. And Kevin, as you mentioned, this is one of the big partnerships that we're talking about.
Yes.
Why did United Healthcare decide to get on board and say, this is something we're not just going to talk about, but we're going to get our funds behind as well?
Well, we recognize that community partnerships are essential to building healthier communities, and we have a strong local focus. We've been focusing very much on food. We have a great relationship with the San Diego Food Bank. Jim and I have been working together for a few years now, and this just presented a great opportunity to demonstrate that, bring it to life, and not just financial, but also even volunteering. I know our employees here in San Diego volunteer quite a few hours with Jim, and we're thrilled to be partnered with you and to be a part of the community in a meaningful way.
You know, that volunteering is so key, because it goes way beyond just writing a check or having a good talking point. You're actually getting behind this movement and saying, we want to have an active role in this.
Absolutely, and our employees love it. It's great for employee morale. It's great for them to get out and really make a difference, a tangible difference in the community. Mood lifted, and people just really enjoy getting out and doing the work. So it's fantastic from every measure.
Okay, so Supervisor Kristen Gaspard joining us as well, because you have an announcement to make, I understand.
A big announcement.
Yes.
So back in 2010, the board really took on a big, bold initiative. This wasn't another dusty plan on a shelf somewhere. They came up with Live Well San Diego, and it's this overarching vision for our region, a region that's building better health, living safely, and thriving. And it was also an admission that the government's not going to solve significant challenges that we have as a community alone, and we are going to put together a network of community organizations that day in and day out are helping people build better health, live safely, and thrive. And as you know, the San Diego Food Bank has been an incredible Live Well partner. Today, I am so pleased to announce that United Healthcare, we're thankful for your work in this region, building better health, helping people live safely, and to thrive in San Diego. So I'm here today to proclaim March 25th to be United Healthcare Live Well San Diego Day.
There we go.
Throughout our region. You are our
Thank you.
434th
That's so great.
Live Well partner in this region. We're doing this together. We're making a difference in people's lives each and every day, and it's partners like you that are making all the difference. So thank you for your outstanding work.
Thank you, Supervisor. On behalf of everyone at United Healthcare, we are very thrilled. This is a happy day for us, and we're absolutely excited to be a part of Live Well. Thank you very much.
Well, don't let it go to your head. Go out there and continue your great work, and we're happy to welcome you to our functional family, our Live Well San Diego family.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Hats off. Good job, well done. I mean, these are some massive, lofty goals, and these are actually making a difference in our community. We're seeing them day in and day out. Phenomenal job to all the work going on as well. So we've got more coming away. It's just going to be tough to top this, though, right?
We'll try.
All right. Well, more on Good Morning San Diego.